Can you pose even a tiny bit of a challenge?
I have to feel the flow, just like Yuma.
Duel!
Here I go! It's my turn! I have to feel the flow! From my hand, I activate a spell card!
Like that's gonna work. I activate my monster's effect.
I activate my monster's effect! Join me! The Agent of Creation, Venus! The Agent of Creation, Venus's effect activates!
I'll play this. From my hand, I activate my trap.
Just because you won doesn't mean you're better than me.
You really thought those attacks would work?